everyone, welcome back to the WayKen Rapid Manufacturing channel. I'm Lingo. In CNC machining, slot structures are very common. Normally, we can complete them using end mills, ball mills, and T-cutters. As long as the slot widths, depths, and position are not too tricky, programming can usually handle it directly. But the part we're showing today is different. Its outer shape is simple, but the internal slot structure is anything but conventional. Let's take a look at what makes these special slots so challenging and how WayKen's engineers worked with the customer to develop a machining solution that balances both manufacturability and cost effectiveness. We can see that this part has a hole in the middle. From the section view, you can find 3 slots inside the hole. Unlike regular straight slots, the ends of these slots extend outward. This means standard cutters simply cannot reach the extended sections. That's what makes this project unique. When our engineers reviewed the drawing, they immediately spotted some potential issues. Before proposing a solution, we ran a machining simulation and discussed several possible approaches with the customer. In theory, a slitting T-cutter could machine the 2 middle slots, but once mounted, the cutter shank would interfere with the bottom step of the part, making it impossible to reach the extended sections. Switching to a one-piece slitting cutter avoids the interference, but then the center hole limits the cutter size. If the cutter is too big, it can't fit through. If it's too small, it can't reach the extended slots. During the solution design stage, WayKen fully considered both machining efficiency and cost. After thoroughly discussing the slot depth, accuracy, and the extension length requirements with the customer, we finally decided to go with a custom cutting tool. The tool was designed with a 1-inch cutting diameter and a 0.375-inch shank diameter. This allows it to pass smoothly through the 36mm center hole, reach the extended slots, and still keep the cost within a reasonable range. Based on this plan, the majority of the part was machined on a 5-axis CNC. The bottom stock was made slightly thicker than the customer's 3D model to allow for clamping, and the program automatically changed tools according to the machining path to ensure precision and stability. Finally, the excess material at the clamping area was removed on a 3-axis machine. The part was successfully completed, and the extended slot machining met the expected results. At WayKen, we don't just machine to a drawing. Every drawing gets careful analysis and discussion. Our goal is to provide custom, cost-effective, manufacturable solutions. Thanks for watching. Be sure to follow us at WayKen to explore more insights into manufacturing processes.